Hi, I'm RJ Dudley, CTO with Aya LLC. We're a next generation sports betting prediction model and algorithm company. We utilize our intellectual property to automate the process of a fan or sports enthusiast or sports bettors forward view environment. So what they see, and we look to automate that process when it comes to incrementing their bet based around prediction models. So for example, you'll see media companies such as Time Warner, TBS Sports, during the NBA Finals playoffs. They've started doing this over the last quarter or so. They'll pop up a QR scan code that coincides with a prediction that their broadcasters, Charles Barkley, Kenny Smith, some of the guys calling the game, and they coincide that with incrementing the wager or contest over to their FanDuel partner. So that's an example of a user or viewer's forward view environment when it comes to automation of a sports bet around prediction models. You'll see this on Major League Baseball network as well, where they pop these up around a lot of the contests they do with their sportsbook partner. It may be BetMGM or it may be another sportsbook partner. So what we're seeing a lot of is media companies looking to capture what a sports fan's viewership is and what their engagement factor is in order to automate a process. That falls directly in the path of our patented technology. We were recently awarded allowances on all of our claims going back to 2017 when we put the patent in. So that is our patented intellectual property that is heavily sought after by many media companies. You'll see companies such as Sling TV, Fubo TV, Dish Network. They've all formed these partnerships with whether it be their own in-house sports book or a partnership with a DraftKings to where they filtrate the forward view environment over to their sports betting partner and automate the process around prediction models, advice, bet trends that they may have up on the screen. That is directly in line with our intellectual property. We also have a one-of-a-kind sports betting prediction algorithm that performs at an average of a 54% win rate. Now, to a new or a non-novice sports bettor, professional, that may seem like a very low number because a lot of people say 60%, 70%. They're looking in very small increments. We're talking about in-volume, daily residual churn on the sports betting prediction model. So 54% can equal a 60% average return on investment. So in this new growing sports betting market that's becoming somewhat of a financial market, those are very large numbers that can be utilized to power the patented intellectual property. And also with any media company that looks to set their pricing models when it comes to how they sector or predict how they're going to pay out on each match or prediction. Also, the intellectual property crosses over into many different industries. Recently, Sony Entertainment filed a patent very similar to ours, looking to utilize their PlayStation model within the esports pricing sports betting market. And so what that patent does coincides directly with what we already filed. So they're just a couple of years behind us on that. And our legal team is currently reaching out to theirs in order to work out maybe a strategic partnership or licensing agreement. So you'll see many different sectors whether it be esports, a company by the name of Esports Technologies has also filed a provisional patent just a few months ago, looking to capture forward view environment of a user and then increment that whole prediction system utilizing bet trends and performance modules of their users to then set a pricing model. So that falls directly in the path of our intellectual property. So what we're looking to do is raise capital, form strategic partnerships, join profound accelerator groups that can take the technology and scale it at a very rapid rate in this market that we see growing at a very rapid rate. So of course, we look forward to working with your company along with your partners and take advantage of this booming market that's growing at a tremendous rate across the esports, sports betting, emerging markets. Thank you and have a good day.